Hello students, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video, I am going to discuss most important topic for Physics Term 1, CBSE Class 10th. In this video, I am going to discuss image formation by concave lens. Image formation by concave lens, which is one of the most important topic in your syllabus. Okay, so to understand this topic, it is necessary to go through this topic so that we can understand this image formation by concave lens. So what is rules for incident rays? Okay, so there are mainly three rules for incident rays in concave lens. That is, what is rule number 1? Rule number 1 is that when a ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis, after refraction through concave lens, the rays will diverge. Okay, but what it seems that this ray appears to meet in the focus. What is rule number 1? Rule number is 1 that when a ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis, this is your ray of light coming parallel to principal axis, after refraction it will diverge. This lens, that is concave lens, diverge these rays, but it seems that these rays are coming from the focus. Okay, but it seems that these rays are coming from focus. This is your rule number 1. What is your rule number 2? Rule number 2 is same rule that is in case of your convex lens. What is it? That when a ray of light passing through your optical center O, then there will be no refraction, no reflection, no bending of light, nothing will happen, and it will follow its original path without any deviation. Okay, this is your rule number 2. What is your rule number 3? Rule number 3 is that when a ray of light is going to incident or strike at focus, but after refraction it will become parallel to the principal axis. When a ray of light coming closer or coming toward focus, but due to concave lens it will refract or diverge parallel to your principal axis. So what we seems that this ray of light meet at the focus. So these three rules which these are the rules regarding for your topic, that is rules for incident ray. Now I am moving to our most important topic, that is image formation by concave lens. So see, I had discussed the topic for convex lens, that is rule image formation by convex lens, and in convex lens there are 6 cases, and all these 6 cases are similar to that of concave mirror, which I have already discussed. But this is what your concave lens, and there is only 2 cases, and which is similar to your convex mirror. Okay, so relate from this. Okay, in convex mirror there is also 2 cases, and in this concave lens there is also 2 cases. So what is your first case? What is your first case? First case is that when the object is far away from the lens, that is when the object at infinity. Okay, when your object is at far away from this lens. Okay, this is your object, and this object is at infinity, and we know that when we make or when we produce 2 rays from the infinity, it will always be parallel. Okay, so this is the rays which are coming from infinity and which is parallel to your principal axis. So after refraction it will diverge, it will diverge, okay. And similarly, if a ray of light coming parallel, then again this concave lens diverge this, after refraction these rays is diverge, and we know that these two rays are diverging, and diverging rays never meet. These two rays are diverging and diverging rays are never meet, so your image in real world never produced, okay. So in this case what we do that these two rays appears to meet in your virtual world. That is, if you extend these rays, if you extend these two rays meet at your focus, okay. Here the two rays are meet, so image will be produced or image will be formed at focus, that is f1, and image is very small, that is point size, and also image is produced in front or in the side of concave lens, okay. In the same side, image will produce in the same side of the concave lens. Image produced at focus and in same side. What is your third point? Third point is it is virtual and erect. And what is your case number 2? In case number 2, our object, we kept our object beyond 2f2, okay. Beyond 2f2, that is your optical center f2, 2f2, f1, 2f1, and there is your object. Now the same process, make two rays from the object. Now after refraction it will diverge according to concave lens and make another ray which passes through your optical center. So these rays appear to meet, so extend these rays to focus. Now your ray meet at this point, so your image will be produced between f1 and O, between f1 and optical center, okay. And the same side of lens. What is your second point? That it is smaller in size. And what is your third point? The third point is that it is virtual and erect. So there is only 2 cases. For numerical regarding this topic, please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com, and sign up for your important MCQs.